back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. So hit that subscribe button, click on the little bell, and let's be friends. Hi guys, how's it going? Happy Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. Today's video is going to be my official 2020 Easter Spring home tour. I've completely decorated the house. It's full of bunnies. It's a lot of creativity. Some people may like it. Some people may not. It's really colorful. It's really creative. I love decorating. I love seasonal decorating. It's so much fun. It truly is so much fun. I hope this video gives you something to smile about at least, and you get some inspiration for it to go and decorate your homes for Easter amongst this trying time that we're all going through right now. But we will get through this. We will get through this. I know that we will get through this. I am declaring it constantly that things will be better than they've ever been before. Everything will go back to normal. And if not better, if not better. So that is what I'm declaring, and I hope you declare it with me in this beautiful time that we are celebrating Easter and spring and just the beautiful weather and season that is ahead of us. And I know that things are going to get so much better. So I'm going to stop rambling because I'm a big rambler, and you all know that. I'm going to take you off the tripod and show you around the house, and I'll be right back to say my goodbyes. Guys. This is what you always see when you walk into my house. This puppy right here. This is the queen of the castle.
Hi, Mimi. Can you say hi to everybody? Yeah. See, I'm the one that makes all the noise in your videos, Mom.
Okay, guys, let's not get distracted by the cuteness of dogs. So this is what you see when you walk into my house. This is my front entranceway, and I did the decorate with me with the table. So if you're new here, you haven't seen it, but I'll show you that in more detail. Here on this little round table, I put a sign that I've had for a while, a couple years now. It's from Ross, says he has risen, and then the Hobby Lobby prayer beads. And I left the arrangement, and when you step back, my staircase does wind up, if you can see that. And I just have this little bunny, little vignette up there. And then over here, if you turn this way, you see my little welcome sign. And I added enjoy every moment, especially now. And then on my doors, I added these little wreaths. I don't know if you can see them very well because it is really bright out. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful sunny day. And there she is again. And yes, we still have our jackets out. And then over here I have the lantern. Just my lantern from my store. I just decorated it pretty simple. Okay, let's go into the dining room because I know many of you have not seen what I did decor-wise in here. And it's really simple, guys. I kind of kept it a little bit simple because, I don't know, it made me, what's going on in our times now just made me want to keep it simple. Okay, this is my fireplace. These are the decor boxes from my store. These are now sold out. The white ones with this hardware are sold out. But look at the little bunny. He kind of matches that. And then I brought this painting down from my room. I switched up around again. And then in my baskets, or my blooming lamps, let's say, I added these little bunny picks. They're from the Dollar Tree. They're just simple. I'm not crazy about this mantle, but it is what it is for right now. I'm not going to switch it out. I'm just going to leave it because I'm going to switch out the entire house actually really, really soon. Okay, so here's my table, and I left it very, very simple. These are battery-operated candles. I'll show you that in another video coming soon on how I'm going to decorate my table. But if you're interested in these, I have them linked in my Amazon store, and they are so nice at night. Oh my God, they make a beautiful, beautiful glow in the house. I added a wreath up there on that wall. I don't really know what to do with that wall. And then there's my hutch. You guys, most of you have seen the hutch. And the two mirrors on either side. I just closed the window. Well, I closed the blinds a little bit so you could see the flower arrangement. I love this flower arrangement. I think I'm going to add to it for the summer, maybe a tiny bit, but I love it. I think I'm going to just keep it. And then I just added this little bunny and a candle, you know, just some little stuff. And there's the crosses. I love that thing, but I have an idea for that. So I still think I'm going to make some more videos for Easter, and because I have an idea for something, but I still wanted to do my home tour for you guys. So let's go this way because I know nobody has seen the coffee bar, which is over there. Oh, but let me show people who've never been here before. This is how I styled my front entry hall table. It's just really, really simple. I think it looks adorable. I really do. I think it looks good. And then we'll go into the family room in a minute. Okay, guys, this is my coffee bar area. And it's very, very simple. There's the two-tier tray for my store. And there's that egg tree that my daughter does not like. I like it. I think it's very cute from Walmart. This is just simple, guys. This is what I use every day. This is where I make my coffee, and I just added a little bit of decor. I added the mugs, my little bunny mugs. Those are from last year, from TJ Maxx or Home Goods. And the little signs. You guys saw me haul all this stuff in previous videos. And these are really cute. These little wood bunnies are actually from Walmart. And I'm thinking next year I want to make some more bunny decor maybe for Easter. I'm going to flip you to the other side. Okay, this is the other side of my butler's pantry. And you can see I have my microwave here. And that's some alcohol. And that's a little picture frame I have with Angela. And that's my old dog, guys. That's look how little Angela was. That's in our house in Toronto. And yeah, I just kept it really simple. And the plates are there because I told you guys I want to do the dining room table setting with you. And you can see the dining room there. Okay, let's go. Now we've kind of made a circle. So I'm going to go okay, so here's my living room. I know a lot of you have not seen this. I left my ferns. Guys, I made these ferns all dollar store. I mean, can you believe it? Dollar store. And I think I might bring them outside. I left this alone. I just couldn't change it. So I left it alone. Angela said, Mom, leave it. I just add a little bunny up there. And oh, I did add this table runner. And of course the tag is sticking out now. I added the little table runner, and then I added the every bunny welcome sign. I swear to God, I think this is from Dollar General. And I just thought it was so cute. And you've seen the blanket ladder. I made that one before myself. And then on my antique chair, I just added some spring pillows. I love this chair. And then here above the TV, I left it all the same, and the light and the sun is glaring in, guys. It is the most beautiful, gorgeous day here today. And then the mantle, you all have seen this. I mean, the ones that follow me. And I love it. I love, 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 love how it turned out. I added this right here, this little farmer bunny, to the candle holders because I thought that was a really cute addition. And then I kept it simple on my end tables. Oh, in the picture, my grandma and I fell over. And then I just added all my pillows, which now that I've been home and have nothing to do, I took out all the cushions of the couches. I washed all my pillow covers. I shampooed the couches. And it just, oh my God, it's so fresh smelling in here. And then over here on this little table, because I know you guys never saw this, I took one of those Hobby Lobby bases and just added this wire cloche with this little tiny bird on top. And then a little pot, a little bunny, and some little carrots, and that's it really. And then here on the ledge, I added this Happy Easter sign with this little Dollar Tree flower pot that I made here on this side. And I know you can see the tag of the things that are in the kitchen. This is a real ivy plant that I got last year, and it's grown like crazy. I've had to pot it again, but I think I'm gonna bring it outside now. And then over here on this little end table, it's just super simple. In the box, I have my remote controls, and that's it. And I think the pillows all look so cute together. It's so simple, guys, but it's cute. And then here on this little tray, I added this little bunny, and then on the other side, there's like a little egg holder. Okay, I am gonna show you the kitchen now, but as I'm showing the kitchen, I'm gonna voice over because I'm in the middle of changing the entire kitchen. Okay, guys, let me show you my kitchen. These are pre-recorded clips, and I'll explain why. Because when I did this decor, I thought it was so cute and so creative, but it is not. It's not good for cooking. Let's be serious. But it was so adorable. I really wanted to try it, and I thought it was really cute. And this is a really cute idea for Easter. Hopefully, we'll be celebrating Easter. And after you've cooked and cleaned up the kitchen, put the grasses down and the little picket fence if you want to. I mean, it's adorable. Here's just a shot of my wreath. I love this wreath. I think it turned out so cute. Guys, this is so easy. I wired in the carrots and the bird's nest, so I'm just going to take them off right after Easter. Okay, let me give you a better look of the countertop. If you haven't been here, there's all my cutting boards and my little pig. I think I'm going to keep the little pig up now for the summer coming forward, but I'm just going to move him because I think he's so cute. You've all seen this. The grasses were really fun. Like the whole thing with the picket fence and the grasses and the eggs were really fun. But let's be serious. You cannot cook like that. So I have switched it over, and I'm going to make a whole bunch of videos showing you how I switched over my kitchen and the why. And I got some neat ideas actually for the kitchen to style it now coming forward. So I just wanted to give you a last look of that. And here's the top of the fridge. I really love the top of the fridge. I love the mix of the galvanized with the wicker basket, the bunny, the sign. I think was my favorite vignette I made in the kitchen. And guys, remember, all these vignettes that you see in my video and other home decor videos, you can use those vignettes pretty much anywhere, on tables, on a sofa table, on a bookshelf, anywhere. They're just like inspiration. Here's my table, my ode to my lovely subbies. This is my ladies' lunch table, so I wanted to include it in this video because I want you to all to know that you're always going to be welcome in my house. You guys mean the world to me, and that's how much I love you guys. And I just wanted to do this video for you guys to, enjoy your time since we're all at home. That's the end of the video. I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the tour. If you've stayed to the end to see my final farewell, I have to say this is not what I had envisioned to say at the end of my Easter home tour. I love seasonal decorating. I do it because it is fun. It brings joy. It's a creative outlet. It's just really lots of fun. I know this might not be for everybody. It's a very colorful. It's a little over the top. I mean, I know the kitchen was over the top, but it is for fun. It truly is for fun and just to express our creativity. I hope you do something beautiful in your homes. I am praying that we celebrate Easter this year. We still have time to get through this, and I do believe that we will get through this, if not better than we were living before. I think we will do better. I think we will be better. I am declaring it constantly for the entire world. Yes, not just for us here in North America, but I am declaring it for the entire world. I want you guys to know how much I love you and appreciate you. Please give this video a big thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. And if it wasn't for you amazing, lovely ladies and gentlemen out there that have subscribed to me, I wouldn't possibly be able to make these videos for you guys. So I just want you to know how greatly I appreciate you guys and how much I love you guys. And I'll see you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. Follow the rules and regulations in your area, and we will get through this. Just know that I love you and I think of you constantly. And I'll see you very soon. Bye, guys.